Hello everyone, and welcome to a short video tutorial showing you how to create your first blog post. So to begin, we want to be on our CUNY Academic Commons website and click on Course Schedule so that we can scroll down and see the prompt. So this Thursday, we have our first blog post, Casting Characters in the Jungle, particularly Jurgis and Ona. The prompt directions direct you to a tutorial and then ask you to create a blog post with 2 images, captions, and a brief explanation of 250 words minimum. Minimum indicating that you can write more. More of your thoughts can help you pull things together at a later point, but only 250 words are needed. Then you have to add the category, the Jungle Cast blog post, save and publish. So what does this look like inside the platform of creating a blog post? Okay, so at the top of the page, you can either click the plus, that is adding something new to create your post, or you can click on the name of our site, dashboard, and then to the left-hand side, click on posts, add new. Here you can write your title. In this case, let me take one from tonight. What do you see? Type in the content of your text. And let's say I want to add some media. If I click Add Media, I can upload images either by dragging them here or click Select Files. So in this case, I'm going to select a file and pick What Do You See? It uploads, and then I can insert it into the post. I can center it. I can also add in captions. And then my captions are down here. And I apologize for my many typos. Luckily, I use Grammarly to help me out. But alternatively, just go back, double check, or download Grammarly. It's not a promo, it just depends on what you need. Once I have all my content, along the way, I want to click Save Draft. And then this is where you add in your category, which is a form of metadata that helps us track our different materials across the class. So in this case, I'm going to choose the Jungle Cast blog because that's the upcoming assignment. Click Save. Loading very slowly. Click Publish. And then View Post. And now we have my lovely blog post. Returning back to my blog post, what if I decide I would like to add a video instead? I suggest using YouTube links. So to add a YouTube link, I would bring up another menu. Here I've searched for mental health on college campuses because that's related to my blog posts. I am clicking on this link. Ideally, of course, you would look at your material first. Let's find a YouTube link because they are far easier to embed. There we go. Mental health crisis on campus. If I just copy the URL and paste it here, it automatically embeds because this is a WordPress platform and that's how they operate. So I click Update. It takes a moment to save. I click preview post, and now I have a cover, but then I also have my YouTube video. And those are the basic steps of adding in material to your blog post. This tutorial and the other offered are intended as support. Try your best, and then in next class we'll go over the technical aspects, and then before you know it, you'll be very familiar with this and making blog posts like a pro.